Hello, this is Attorney Feng, immigration lawyer from New York City. Today we're going to talk about two new policies regarding STEM majored foreign students. These two new policies enable STEM majored foreign students to have a fast-track working visa and fast-track green card. First of all, we're going to talk about working visa. Besides H-1B working visa, what other kind of working visa can STEM majored foreign students have? We all know H-1B has very, very low possibility to get a quota. Last year, we have less than 28% of the H-1B participants receive a quota. And for STEM majored foreign students, you have 36 months OPT, but that 36 months OPT is not enough for you to participate in multiple H-1B in order to get your H-1B quota. So that's why when Biden administration opened the door of O-1A working visa. So compared to H-1B, the benefit of O-1A working visa is there's no quota, no lottery, you can apply anytime, and you can extend O-1A forever, not like H-1B, you have maximum 6-year working permission. And O-1A does not have prevailing wage requirement, which have less burden on your employer side. And O-1visa, if you are talent in science, business, art, you can apply for O. So O is very, very flexible. However, before the new policy, O-1A is a little bit high and too high to reach for STEM majored new graduates, because this is a working visa reserved for alien with extraordinary ability in their field. So for newly graduate students, it's very difficult for them to meet the O-1A requirements. But right now, without changing the O-1 law, USCIS has broadened their guidance in accepting qualified evidence to prove that you meet O-1A requirement. Just give you one example. Before the policy, if you have national or international award in your profession, you won't meet this requirement. However, this is a bar that is impossible to be reached by STEM major new graduates. And in this new policy, USCIS will accept your PhD scholarship or the award you received as a PhD student. This kind of evidence was not considered as qualified evidence under O before, but in this new policy, it specifically says this is acceptable. So we can tell the Biden administration customized a set of guidance to let STEM majored foreign students to be able to meet O-1A requirement. So if you don't know, you want to find out if you are qualified or if you have a good chance for O-1, you can send a resume to me for free evaluation. Next, we'll talk about green card. So EB2 NIW is a category, EB2 green card category under employment based. So the beauty of EB2 NIW is it does not request a job offer. It does not request a U.S. employer sponsorship. And you can apply for this category no matter where you are, in the U.S. or outside of the U.S. However, this category requires you to meet certain standard to prove that you have achieved greater contribution than your peers with similar background. So before the new policy, newly graduate students still feel a little bit stretched to apply for EB2 NIW. But right now, USCIS opened the door. It customized a guidance for STEM major foreign students to meet NIW requirement. So literally, if you have a PhD STEM major diploma, you could prove that you will meet NIW3 requirements. Plus, USCIS specifically mentioned if you could get a letter from government or quasi-government to prove that they need you to stay in the country, you probably have very promising chance under NIW. So send me a resume if you want to know whether you have a chance on the NIW. So this is a golden window for STEM majored students to obtain working visa and green card, so you can continue work in this country. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thank you.